Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Friday, last day of this week, profitable week. Morning, Ivan. Morning, Bob. Morning, Orson. Hey, Shalid. Hey, Adela. Hey, Sebastian. Hey, Andrei. Hey, Darren. Okay, now we'll start as usual. Let's keep it short. It's Friday. It's nice. We have all the longs possible. Hopefully, everyone has some. Let's start with Bitcoin on CME. Well, Bitcoin doesn't do too many things. It's just staying above 100k, which is enough for altcoins to pump. We can push lower, but that will drag everything down if we'll accept below 100k. If we'll form a W or at least we'll stay flat here, altcoins have some room to pump. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Millennial, you're back. That's a good sign. Probably you smelled some profits. Okay, so if I'll see a W here, or if I'll see the Bitcoin staying above 100k, that will let altcoins to some room to run. If we'll go below 100 and we'll dump, well, that will drag everything down, most probably. But if altcoins want to pump, I saw some news that money from Bitcoin are going into altcoins, some of them, of course. Well, that's a good sign. As the time, well, it's perfect time to think about altcoin season. I told you in chat, in general chat, I told you in Discord multiple times, don't ask me in December what you should buy. So let's see what we'll get here. We have a gap at 97, double gap, ugly indeed. Let's see what will happen in the weekend. The more we stay here above 100k, more altcoins will pump. And you saw some altcoins really pumping. Looks like real pumps. You saw ZEC, you saw AYA, you saw other coins. Even Co-AI pumped like crazy last week. So there are some coins, if you manage to get in on 4-hour chart on some nice W's, well, there's some money to be made there. Okay, so that's CME chart, nothing special from yesterday. 2 days ago we bounced, yesterday we dumped a little bit just to touch the long reload zone. Let's see what will happen today. Similar template here, you can see A, B, C, D, 100k as a support. This really nice chart with the potential top on Bitcoin is still there, still looking the same. Ethereum, a bit lazy here. If we lose this level and looks like we lost it, we can dump a little bit more. At any point in time, if I'll see W's, I'll consider a pump chaser zone. I'll consider to take that W. But I need to see Ethereum starting to outperform. For the moment, look at it. Yam. Nothing. No W. Well, you know me. No W, no trade. Pretty simple. We can do something like this, touching 61.8 here and the next dump and then to pump. Possible. So some people asked me yesterday if I prefer Ethereum against Bitcoin. For the moment I prefer some shitcoins against Bitcoin, but not Ethereum. Not yet. Okay, template on 4-hour chart. I'll put 4-hour chart just to see what we have. If you remember, we discussed that long reload zone should be a thing. We discussed it yesterday. We should retrace back here. We did. I decided to play the shark and we didn't hit that level. So I'll wait more. Probably will come back down here to retest this 1, 2, 3 tails here. Probably. Ethereum the same, a bit, I don't know, just the volatility is getting out and nobody's interested in trading Ethereum for the moment. That will change pretty soon. Ethereum versus Bitcoin on daily. Simple. Still downtrend. Same story. Nothing changed here. We just dumped a little bit more. No W for the moment on daily. Well, no W, no outperforming from Ethereum. I don't think will happen today. But soon enough, we'll form some W's and you'll see Ethereum starting to outperform. Morning, Catalin. Dominance. Dominance is looking nice. Look at it. We pumped, we dumped, we retested somehow that level. I still don't have that nice and clean daily M. But we have a 3-bar fractal in an acceptable location here. Look at it. 3-bar fractal. Look at this rejection. Look at we accepted and confirmed the 3-bar fractal. Is this enough and we'll dump straight down? Well, this will create a bigger EM. This one. This big one. If we'll accept below this. I was hoping for a smaller EM here to give us a better confluence, a better advantage in the market for us. But we'll take what we'll get. Yes, on daily. Well, we are at the same level. We are fighting this uptrend channel line. We will probably dump, if not today, maybe next week, to close this gap. It's too damn close. Maybe not, but I think we'll close this gap. Maybe long reloads only if you're lucky for a W, and then a retest. And then a retest in the short reload zone. Then in the short reload zone, we'll reassess what we have. For the moment, you can see the market is, if you put 4-hour chart, you'll see a clear downtrend here. Let's just do that. Look at it. Lower highs, lower lows, pushing lower and lower. Probably here we'll start to make some divergence. Yeah, look at RSI potential one. Look at MACD histogram potential divergence. So some signs there. Not enough to call it, well, it's over for the bears and we'll push higher. But we can trade this one on 4-hour chart? No. Ugly location. Just above the gap. Not enough, not high enough to short. Nothing you can do here. As a day trader, you know, up, down, doesn't matter. You can scalp, you can day trade. Okay, daily. Gold. Fighting 4,000, same story. If you listen to the daily crypto plans, you know what I'll say. Nice W, maybe we'll pump here in the short reload zone. If you see an M in the short reload zone, get the fuck out. Here, don't short it here. You think you can go on lower time frame and find a nice W and think, well, I'll get a 3 to 1 until short reload zone? Okay, it's up to you if you like to trade gold. Silver, similar. We discussed this one multiple times. You know my opinion about silver, that, well, 3-bar fractal, look at it. If you want to know my opinion, you don't know it, and you want to know my opinion about silver, look at 28, 29, 2010, 2011. And those 4 years you saw what, when silver outperformed everything and reached, I don't know, $49, I think. And you can see we stopped in the same area. If we'll accept above, keep in mind money supply, you can really see silver outperforming. And people, silver outperforming is telling you a story. Not too many people understand that. It's telling you that all the economies, or most of them, are healthy. And the market should pump like crazy. Silver is not only a precious metal. Silver, it's an industrial metal. Seeing silver outperforming gold, it's a sign of strength. And if you put money supply on everything, you'll understand that from 2000, we didn't have a proper bull market. We have 25 years of nothing. No? Just my 2 cents. Everyone is calling, well, we will go down, we'll go to zero. The end is one, the world is ending. No. You see silver outperforming, you think it's done? No. Silver, it's more an industrial metal than a precious metal. Huh? Seeing silver pumping? We'll see. Let's wait. Yeah. Just remember the banner cycle, if you know what I mean. We should have some top in 2026. Anyway, total market. I could say anymore that we are fighting for 4 trillion. No, we are fighting 3.5 trillion now, but we'll probably go back at 4 pretty soon. Total 3, a bit better, but we are still below 1 trillion. Nothing we can do here. Most probably we'll do a W somewhere in here, pump to 1 trillion, reject initially, then pump, accept above, and hopefully we'll have an altcoin season. I know. This time is different. Altcoins will never pump. This time will never happen. I saw a lot of discussions on Twitter about it. No. This time we have too many altcoins. Who the fuck is putting you to count the pump fund coins? Or all the shit coins made, for example, on Tron network or any other network. Those are not even shit coins. Real shitcoins with real communities, with real hope for the people that, well, they'll succeed, they'll do something, they'll pump. I could go today and make, I don't know, 10,000 shitcoins on pump fund with, I don't know, 2 or 3 Solana. You should put that and count those coins. Come on, let's be real. When you hear stories, this time is different, you know it's not. When you hear stories that, well, Bitcoin is everything, well, I'm a Bitcoin maximalist, you know that what is next. You should know. Anyway, let's not rant too much. Let's go on lower time frame. Let's see what we have on Bitcoin. Like I said yesterday, I was waiting for a shark. And look at it. Motherfuckers front run me. It's my fault, people. It's my fault because I saw on 1 hour, I saw when I posted the shark, when I framed the shark and I posted it, I saw the candle body lows here. I saw them. And I said, maybe I'll be lucky and I'll get it. But I saw the candle body lows here and I suspected that we'll bounce from that level. Anyway, we are short from the top. From here, from this initial yam. We are long from the bottom, from 99. Doesn't get better than that. Here, I don't suggest you to do anything. I suggest you to stay out and just wait for a discount, or here for a short if you'll see a setup, an SFU or something, or even better. For the moment here, it's kind of balanced. I don't want to. It's just slightly above 100k. What do you want to do there? Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Why you want me to start on ZEC? Okay, I'll do it. Similar view on Ethereum. You can see trend line here, EM breaking down. We didn't touch long reload zone. It's a sign that maybe we are stronger than we want to believe. But this EM top is giving me another trend line. EM top, trend line. There you go. You want me to think we'll outperform here? Okay, give me a W the other side. Give me a W the other side of this trend line and maybe I'll think about it. Probably pump chaser zone. If we'll reject this trend line, we'll come back down and we'll form a W later. That's something else. Okay? So, for the moment here, without knowing anything, I will be tempted to short, but I don't know. Maybe it's better to wait. Okay, so that's Ethereum, that's Bitcoin. Someone said about ZEC. Well, let me change the template back and say ZEC. Let's see if we have any ZEC here. And let's see if this is the template. There you go. A stupid trader told you here. Frame this setup at your request. Someone from the Crypto Traders Arena, I don't remember exactly who, said something about ZEC, and I told you, it's strong, don't short the strong coins. I see an AB equals CD, play this one, and try to trail and maximize the profit. Well, if you put the ZEC now, that will be 38R. I told you specifically, don't fucking even think about shorting until we'll reach 500. And on 500, if you see weakness, no weakness, look at it. Look at RSI, look at OBV, look at MACD. And still, some people, even in crypto traders arena, they decided that they want to lose money. And they said, I'll short here, I'll short here, I'll short here. Even if I warned them multiple times, stay the fuck out. Nothing I can do more than that, people. I showed you a long setup. I told you to stay in that long setup. And I specifically told you that you don't want to short strong shitcoins, strong altcoins. I prefer not to short anything from altcoins, but okay, maybe you want to do something. Don't do it on strong altcoins because that is PTSD from your mind. And some people decided, no, I want to do it. Okay, learn the lesson on the hard way. Maybe this way you'll know next cycle what you should do. If you have a journal, you'll know, like me. I'm not telling you because I was smart last time. No. I'm telling you it's not a good idea because I was stupid some time in the past and I learned the lesson in the hard way. But my luck is that I have a journal and I remember and I have a way to go back and know next time I'll know better. If I'm stupid once, I have an excuse. If I'm stupid twice or the third time, I'm just stupid then. Simple as that. You see weakness here? No. What is my favorite pattern to trade on altcoins when we want to call a top? Well, we'll look like this, people. Market will pump here, then we'll create an EM, then we'll dump here. Everyone will be short, and then we'll do something like this. This looks like a Wyckoff check distribution part, just a part of it. Huh? Then we'll do another SFU, take everything here, and then we'll dump. When you see this pattern on ZEC, go ahead and short it. Try your luck, but now what? This is my favorite pattern on altcoins at the top, even on Bitcoin if you want to call it that way. That's the perfect. Market makers will create liquidity here, will come back down, will make money on the downside, and then will come, take all the liquidity, and then will dump it like crazy. Do whatever you want. Now, let's go back. Let's go back on shitcoins. Let's go on 4-hour chart. You can see here, some are out green, some are there out orange, and there is a reason for that. Let's go on 4-hour chart. 4 hours. There you go. And start with the first one. A stupid trader said something about a double here. 4 hour, 1 hour. If I switch on 1 hour, you can see we are trying to get a double here. You will take it. Actually, we have a double already. But if you will take it or not, it's up to you. Nice location. Nice bullish divergence. Even nice OBV, we can say. Look at it. If you don't long in this area, what the fuck you are doing here? Okay, let's go back on 4-hour chart again. Next one. There you go. This one should be with green. Why is not with green? Okay. You remember this W, this alarm here, pump and dump and pump and dump. Oh, look at it. It's there. Look at that W there. You don't see it? Well, it's there. That's the confirmation at this level on 4-hour chart. Too many shitcoins are doing the same thing. As let's do it like the car from the moon or the moon car as predicted. I know a stupid trader that told you, well, wait for 4-hour Ws on new shitcoins. No trade here, not yet, but you can see this is a retest of the previous W. Take it, leave it. It's up to you. Nice location, 88.6. Again, I told you yesterday, stay the fuck out. The market was here at $3. I said, don't fucking short this one. And some people said, no, 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 it's the third time I'm attempting to short and this time I'm successful. Uh-huh. Very cool. Successful. Sorry for that guy that I'm making fun, but I told you to stay the fuck out. You don't want to short something like this. We tapped 3 times. We created a support and resistance level. We tapped 4 times. We rejected. And the 5th time is lucky. I'll do the same. Come on. Stay the fuck out. Same pattern I showed you on Zach here. Same pattern. Hunted here. Until then, don't even touch it. Okay. This one doesn't have a W. This one, it's at the SFU. You can play an SFU there, or even a lower time frame power of 3. Nothing we can do here. This one is in the middle of everything. Is this a valid pattern? We can do something here. Yes, it is. This could be an AB equals CD. Okay. I'll tell you what. CZ doesn't like the shitcoin he's buying to stay at his level or below for too much time. Okay. He bought at 90 cents. He doesn't like his shitcoin to stay at the same level. His ego is big. A, B, C, D. Pointing out here. Some confluence here. And I could see short triggers on. Why not? But hunt a proper setup. Bot setup, AB equals CD. I prefer AB equals CD. More aggressive. Better risk to reward. Nothing here. Not yet. Bless. Well, I remember someone asked me about Bless and I said something about this level. You know, about this shitcoin. Now it's pumping and dumping. Just leave it alone. Blue AI. Someone asked me about Blue AI. I made this drawing here. It's already hit the take profit almost. Bitcoin we know. This one doesn't have a W. This one, look at it. Look at it. Could go lower, yes. We have some lower levels to the left if you look. Yeah. But look at it. What do we have here? Well, this is a fucking W. Below 88.6. With bullish divergence. Bullish divergence on RSI. Okay, I saw too many bullish divergence on RSI. It's not so strong, Paul. What is this? OBV is making even higher highs here and the market is making lower lows until here. What happens? Well, look at it. We have a W and probably will pump. I will sell my house to put in this trade? No, 1% of course, but I should be there. Imagine you saw what happened with this one. It's a scam coin. I don't fucking care if it's a scam coin. I'm here to make money. And I don't have a position size so big so I'm not able to play this one. No. I don't have any problem with playing this one. Look what happened. Pump, dump, pump, dump. From this level we can see a pump in the short reload zone just to test 61.8. Look at DCM here, look at DCM here. Well, that's a 35R. So imagine that I took that trade with 1% and I was patient enough until we'll hit $12. That's a 35 fucking percent from my entire trading portfolio. Do you think that will help my portfolio? Just asking for a friend. Okay. Do whatever you want, people. I'm not a financial advisor. This one, at entry. Slightly above the entry. Big W. Big 4-hour W. Bullish divergence. Like I said from Monday, I think. Okay, take care of total risk. Don't exceed the maximum amount, but play some fucking setups. Eden. Similar. Look at it. It's there. This one. What do we have here? What this one is called? You know how it's called? It's called a W. What do we have here? Some bullish divergence? Well, impossible. There are too many of them. Everything is looking similar. It's dangerous to play all of them because, you know, total risk, but choose your favorite and play it. Yeah, thank you, Stefan, that you're taking care of the chat. It's hard for me to focus on chat. Knowing that you are in the chat is letting me focus on the charts. Okay, FF is FFing. Let's not say anything else. But nice location. If we'll get a nice W, I'll play it. W. Yeah, you see, 4-hour W. You can think AB equals CD here. Take this low, take this high, AB. We are creating the CD, and the target should be a lot higher. Look at the W. It's perfect. It's there. Some bullish divergence. Like I said, almost everything looks the same. 4-hour W trying to form there. This one is too new for 4-hour chart. Let's go on 1 hour. There you go. 1-hour W. At a beautiful location here. I think this one is playable. I think so. You don't like it, it's too new. Let it cool off. But look at this. Come on, people. It's altcoin long reload zone even. Everything looks primed for a pump. Could be a fake out, yeah. That's why we have risk and total risk and stop losses. Our best friend will help us if it's needed. Some people don't even know. Some people don't even know who is our best friend as traders. I said it yesterday in the chat, but some people were, what? Whom? How? Yeah, stop loss is your best friend. Stop loss is telling you, careful, this idea of yours is shit. The market is going the other direction. Close the fucking trade. Get the fuck out. That's the stop loss. That's your best friend. Beginners and public hates the stop loss. Well, my stop loss was hit. Well, so what? You lost 1%. You want to lose 10%, 20%, destroy your account? Go ahead. Anyway, look at Holo. Let's put 4-hour chart. So respect the stop loss. Learn to love the stop loss. To say, well, you are my best friend. Look at it. 4-hour W is trying to form there. Jiggle Beagle, this one, or Gigel, how we love to call it in Romania. It's just nothing we can do here. Just let it do something else. W here. Well, this one is creating some W's. It's consolidating. At some point in time, we'll do a breakout, a fast possible retest, and we'll be gone. This long consolidation calls for a really nice pump. When? I don't know. Look at this one on 1-hour chart. Last night I posted for even lower time frame. Let's put 15-minute chart. You'll see it even better. Look at it. The pattern is there. The double is there. The small double is there. But this was power of 3. Look at it. This was the entry of a sniper. This one. You had the W, power of 3, fake out, breakout, retest. This was your entry. And you are deep in profit. But after the fact, SEC to 10K. Yeah. It's called a privacy coin, Zach. You know that. Huh? It's called a privacy coin, but I don't know about that privacy. Something is fishy. I don't know what, but something is fishy about that coin. I have a bit, but I'm not a fan of privacy coins in general because I know some things. If we'll go to 10K. Okay, so this one I posted on VIP last night, and I told you if you have more room for longs, how you can have more room for longs if Stefan posted 10 trades and I posted 20 and things like that. Well, if you manage to get risk-free in a trade, you have room to add another one. And you can have 20 trades and all of them being risk-free and no risk in the market. Well, I don't know what it is, people. I'm not a fundamental guy. I'm not touching ZEC now at that level. I'm not shorting either. I showed you a setup. You asked me, I showed you a setup. If you took it, okay. If you didn't took it, shorting a strong coin in general, doesn't matter what it's called. It's called ZEC, it's called Ethereum, it's called Kite, doesn't matter. If you see strong, just leave it alone. Betting against is like catching falling knives when it's a bear market. You remember when everything you bought goes even lower, 90% lower, 90% lower? Well, similar here. Could pump to the moon. It's a price discovery. Nobody knows where we'll stop. Okay. Let's go back on 4-hour chart. Next one. Look at that. What do we have here on lab? What the fuck is this one? I don't know. But you get it. Big W. 4-hour big W. But look at it, what we have there. If you're lucky and you get a retest, that's a small W. And you have, look at the OBV. Well, that's strong. Look at the RSI. That's strong. Take the big W, or if you want to be a sniper, well, put a limit order here. Maybe. But it's looking nice. It's 78.6. Nice location. Look at the pump. Some room to grow. Everything is there. I don't want to play this one. This one. Look at this one. W's on 4-hour chart at 78.6. Exactly textbook how you want to play the altcoins. Zach, you know what a W with the neckline and 78.6 can do. Look at it. It's there. And some people prefer, well, give me a request about Zach. Well, I should play that one. I don't have anything to trade there. Look at this one. I'm here to make money. Show me something I could buy now or I could long now and make some money until tomorrow. To the moon. To the moon. Orson, you had enough time to take that one. So, let's put this one with the proper color, people. Look at it. Just look at it. Take it, leave it. I don't care. It's not my money. It's your money. This one will probably form a double at some point in time. Watch it. Why you are playing the new shit coins and not the old ones? Because they have more volatility. Because beginners are interested in new coins, new shit, shiny and new. And people love those things. And if people are attracted to those, there is bigger volatility and a lot more opportunities. On big shit coins, on old shit coins, yeah, I'll buy the daily double, I'll sell half on a double, keep the rest, reload if it's possible. You know the drill. If I'll see a proper setup or something nice, okay, I'll take it. But I'll focus on new shit coins. Every time the new shit coins are pumping better. Are dumping more from time to time, that's true. Look at MMT. I think Andrea showed me, remind me about this one. Look at it. Look at it. W, small W, breakout, retest. Come on. No. I don't know if this one is dead. I don't think we'll pump. Let's wait for until the short reloads on, and then we'll ask Paul what to buy and where to buy. Because now it's alive. I bet I'll see a lot of people asking me about this shitcoin here. After a 50R. Just look at it. Okay. Let's go back on 4-hour chart. Look at this. W, breakout, and just leave it alone. 4-hour W trying to form there. Maybe. W forming there. Could be. Open. It's dumping, but at some point will form a W. Be patient and wait for that W. Order. Trying to create a W. This one, dumping, but nice location. Worth the time and effort to hunt to wait for a W. Recall. Well, stupid trader said that this is a nice trade to take it on 1-hour chart, no? Let's see it. There you go. Take it, leave it. Wait for a better W. It's up to you. If you put the line chart, you'll see what I see. There you go. Let's just keep it simple, people. River, nothing we can do here on 4-hour chart. Look at it. Wait for a dump. This one, already in profit. Posted for public. So public, don't tell me that I don't have money to join VIP. I don't have money to join premium. I want more from you. It's not enough what you provide on general chat. I want more, but I don't have money. That's bullshit. Because we provided, Stefan and I, we provided a lot of setups, successful one. You have enough opportunities to make more money than to pay for 1 year of VIP. But it's up to you. We don't force you. We don't tell you to join VIP. We actually we are full in VIP and we don't accept more people. You can join premium if you want, but if you want more, well, there is your chance. Look at this one. What do you think is this one on lower time frame? 4 hour chart. Okay, Paul took a trade here. Why the fuck Paul took a trade here? Well, let's go on 1 hour. That's why Paul took a trade here, because it's a pump and a long reload zone, so the motherfucker has a location and some bullish divergence even from previous levels. Nice OBV, nice RSI. He took the W. Motherfucker. He's profitable again. Stupid trader. And don't tell me I didn't know about stable. Well, you knew because I posted about it. Stefan posted about it. Bochan posted about this one. Chase it here? Not the best solution. Look at it. Anyway, let's go back on 4 hour chart. What is so funny, Stefan? VIP, yeah. VIP is closed and is full. Nothing we can do until next month. And I don't know if next month we'll have free places or not. That's something else. Toshi, W, at a nice location. You can go on lower time frame. You can go on 50-minute chart and understand what I did here. Look at it. Pump, dump, nice location, nice W's. 1 hour is even better. It's close to the entry. You can wait for a retest. Okay. Toshi should be with green now. Be green. Okay. Trader. No W for the moment. Is creating a W here. Maybe we should wait a little bit more. Trust. Well, there you go. Another setup. Stupid trader. Retard. Look at it. Breaking down, creating a consolidation was a normal thing to do here, no? If you are not in, okay, wait for a retest. Get in. Again, careful on total risk. It's up to you. 4 hour. Okay, couple of them and we are done. I don't know how I don't manage to stay in 30 minutes. I always go to 40 minutes. This one, this one was a motherfucker. I know a trader that made money here. You know that trader? No? I'll show you the trader. How do you come up with this long reload zone here? How you do it? Stefan, do you know how I did this? What kind of black magic is this one? Well, that's a scalp, people. A 1 minute scalp last night. Sleepy. With one eye open, I managed to take this one. And if I'll break it down, you'll understand what I did here. Well, I have the top. So I know a coin could go to 0 or starts from 0. So I put my fib from 0 to that top. And I said, well, if we'll dump here. I saw actually the dump and I said, well, that's a nice location. And you can see here, 88.6 from the entire thing. And then on 1 minute, I saw some W's here. And I saw it doesn't want to come back down. And I said, well, yeah, let's risk a little bit. I took this trade. I posted in the dump and I even showed you, I draw attention to that one. I didn't post the trade and probably I'll never post a 1 minute chart trade on the public or on Discord. Not even Stefan is not posting anymore. It's too dangerous. Huh? Look at it. To the moon. Okay, that's something else. Let's put 4 hour chart back. I had a different template. Let's go here. We have a couple of... Look at this one. Is that creating a W there? I think so. Nice location? I hope so. Well, not the best. W's here, but ugly shitcoin. Look at it. Could be a nice risk to reward. Well, people imagine taking a W like this, succeeding and selling in the short reload zone or getting in the price discovery. Come on. Come on. Think about it. You want small window of risk and nice opportunities. Well, there you go. That's an opportunity. Wait for a breakout, a retest. That's more than 10R here. Imagine that you'll take this one, other retest, you know the drill, okay, and take profit here. And there you go, exactly 10R. Okay, next one. Actually, let's put this one with... Let's put it with yellow. Not green, yellow. Okay, for our chart, nice location here. Wait for a W, take it if it will be the case. Wait a bit more here. We have a 4-hour W there. You can see on Xpin, but I don't know if it's enough. Possibly to be. This one. You know what I did on this one. Everyone was speaking about plasma. Okay, well, let's buy some plasma. $dollar cost average all the way down, starting from here. And I'm playing some setups from time to time. A motherfucker is long here. How did you do it? How did you do it? I posted it. Well, I'm waiting for a double in a long reload zone. Not rocket science, just stupid, simple. And, okay, the W was a bit lower. And look at it. Breakout here. It's pumping. We'll go all the way up here. Could pump to the moon? Yes. Could be the best trade you ever did if you are able to hold long enough. Who knows? You have to do it to find out. Okay, for our chart, and we have 2 more charts and it's done. Nothing I can do here. Something is trying to brew here, but not a W. No. And we start over from the beginning. On Bitcoin, like I told you, nothing I can do here. On Ethereum, like I told you, not the best location here. Shitcoins, I showed you a lot of ideas. Yeah, your favorite influencer where you are paying a big subscription will not show you all these setups, probably in a month or maybe in a year, what I showed you in 40 minutes. Go ahead, follow that guy, donate some money because he needs some money. I saw Stefan posting to Car from the Moon that when he said something about a contest in a platform, he said, I think you need money. Definitely he needs money. Yeah? Yeah? Definitely he needs money. Anyway, let's call it a live stream. Well, La Vista, you can join Discord if you'll be accepted by me. And you can read, if you are in Discord, you can read the chat. You can go in the server and find the how to join premium channel. There you have all the details. I'm not promising I'll accept everyone on Discord. Sorry, people. You can be the best trader if I don't I don't know. I don't see I see something I don't like, I'll reject you 3 times, you'll not be able to join. Sorry. Asking stupid questions in the chat will not help you, that's for sure. We don't have time to babysit anyone. Time to babysit was in the bear market where we took the time and explained everything. You had 3 cycles of Capo 1, 3 cycles of Capo 2, time to learn, time to join and understand the markets, and now to play around. You can join the next Capo 1 in 2026 if you want. I don't have time to babysit. Stefan the same. Now it's time to maximize the profit. We are making money from the market. We are traders. We want to maximize the profit. Because, yeah, we are making some money from Capo 1, from Capo 2. That's not the main income. We need to focus on trading. And I told you months ago, well, the time will come when we'll not have time to babysit. So if you don't know what a candle is, if you don't know how to frame a long, how to frame a short, what leverage is, go and ask ChatGPT, go and ask Group, go ask YouTube or someone else. Okay. I don't think it's the case to go on the shitcoins. I told you about Arena 30.0003 cents. Will probably pump. Most of the shitcoins will pump. Let's call it a live stream. I have 45 minutes blabbing away by myself. I need to drink a bit of coffee. People, I'll end with a warning. Be careful on total risk. Don't exceed 5%. Try to make the trades risk-free at 1 hour. Once it's free, it's free. You can add another trade and try to make that one risk-free. But don't fuck around. You saw what happened almost a month ago. That could happen again. Will happen again. I don't know when, but will happen again. So be damn careful. Remove the risk. You know, especially if you are a VIP or a premium, you know how we love to play the market. You take a trade, you make it risk-free, you take another one, and so on. You can reach, like me, 30, 40 trades in the market without any risk. Okay? Okay, it's Friday. If you are a premium member, see you in the New York session. If you are a general member, see you Monday morning in the weekly crypto review. If you are in general chat, you'll see updates from me and Stefan and some gladiators maybe. Okay? Take care. See you next time.